This question that we have here. So, in the question, we have a system that has soil within it, and there is water inlet. So, this is our water inlet, and this water outlet. The water flows through the soil at point A. The piezometer, the water rules 4 meters in the piezometer. At point B, the water rules 2 meters. So, our first question, we are asked to find the total head at A. So, the total head at A, the formula is the pressure head plus the elevation head, right? Now, in this case, these are D2. So, the total head will be equal to the pressure head at E plus 0. The elevation head is 0. And so, the total head at E, the pressure head is the column of fluid in the piezometer, which is of 4 meters. Then, so this is for I, the I. The total head in B is equal to pressure head in B plus elevation head in B. Okay, so this one, so the pressure head in B is equal to 2 plus 0 because the elevation head is pressure, the total head is equal to 2 meters. Then we come to the head loss. So that will be the head loss. The head, so the head difference between A and B is equal to the total head at A minus total head at B, right? So the head loss will be equal to the head difference at A and B. So at A and B, so the total head at A is 4, the total head at B is 2. And so the head difference is going to be 2 meters. So this is the head loss, meaning that when water was at A, it had an energy of 4. And when it got to B, it got to 2, meaning that 2 has been achieved. So it makes sense. So yes, that will give us the head loss. Let's take another example. So let's take this question for instance. So we have the system. This is soil. Water is flowing. This is my inlet. This is my outlet. So we are supposed to find the total head at A. So the total head at A, given by the formula, the pressure head at A plus elevation head at point A. So the pressure head at A is what? The one in the piezometer, which is on 6 meters. Then the elevation head from the reference point to our point of interest, that's what 4 meters. And so the total head at A is what 10 watts. We come to that of B. The total head in B going to be the pressure head in B plus the elevation head in what B, right? So the total head, pressure head in B is for 2 meters, then the elevation head is for 1 meter. And so the total head is in B is for 3 meters. So with this, we are done. Then the B, we are supposed to find the head loss between. Now, when the water or the fluid was at A, the total head it had was what 10. When it got to B, so sorry, A and B. When it got to B, the total head is what 3. So there has been a certain loss which we are looking for. You get it, and that loss got the head difference between point A and or point B. So head difference, I told you, is the different head loss or the difference in head between two given points. So yeah, between A then what B, total heads. So the total head at A is 10, at B is 3. So the head loss is what 7 meters. So we have head loss of what 7 meters. Yeah. So basically that is it. So our next